Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous video, we have discussed about definition of random variable with example. Now here in this video, I am going to discuss about conditions for a function to be a random variable. And what are the conditions for a function of a random variable? There are some important necessary conditions to be satisfied by a random variable. So that conditions are, first one is the random variable must not be multi-valued. That is, every point in the sample space must correspond to only one real value. And that is the first condition. And the second condition is the set x less than or equal to x should be an event for any real number x. So now here capital X is the random variable and small x is the value of the random variable. The set x less than or equal to x should be an event for any real number small x, and that is the second condition. And third condition is the probability of the events x is equal to plus infinity, that is the one event, and x is equal to minus infinity is the another event. So that probability of the events x is equal to infinity and x is equal to minus infinity equals to 0. So that is probability of x is equal to infinity is equal to 0 and probability of x is equal to minus infinity is equal to 0. And these are the conditions for a function of the random variable. So these are very important conditions